how to load a DeWALT staple gun. Whether this is the DeWALT heavy duty staple gun or the 5-in-1 staple gun. It's exactly the same. Press the end here to release the bottom mechanism, and this will slide out like that. Now you can load either staples like this or brad nails like this. I'll show you both. So staples, slot them in like that, very easy. Then push the track over. Once you're here, press down again on the bottom like that to lock it into place. And you've successfully loaded your staples. Take them out, press that down to unlock the mechanism and drop the staples out. To load your brad nails, make sure that bump there, you see the nail bit, is at the bottom bit and the pointy bit is facing you, if that makes sense. Put them against the end track here. Use your finger to press them against the track. This will make it easier for this track to run over it. There we go, we're over. Press down, lock it in position, and you've loaded your brad nails. So that's how to easily load your brad nails or your staples in the DeWALT staple gun. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.